Welcome to Suburban DIY. Previously, we removed the large 7-foot mirror, removed the toilet, and tore down the walls around the tub and the shower. Links to those videos, parts 1 and 2, are in the description below. In this video, we address the bathtub and remove the old flooring. Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the bathroom tiles. Before we get into that, we just resurfaced this bathtub. This is a steel bathtub, and we had a decision to make that we could either cut it up and take it out, put a new one in, but we probably would have had to cut some of the studs just to get even the new one in, nonetheless getting this one out, and we would have put an acrylic one in. But we did some research, we decided to resurface, and we're really happy about the outcome. There are a few areas where it dripped, but they'll be coming back to buff those out, and a couple spots that were missed. So today we want to take down the tile, or take off the tile floor, because we'll be replacing that. But we've got to do some prep work. So that's what's coming up here first, then you'll see us take the tile out. We decided to go all the way down to the subfloor, which meant we had to get screws that were in that concrete board at the very bottom layer, and then rip up the thin set and of course the tile. The tile was actually the easiest to come up, but let me share a couple of different techniques that we tried and what worked best. Tried first hammering. That was the very first time, and that was okay, but shit got everywhere and it was kind of dangerous. The second thing we tried was putting that film, that sticky film, on the tiles and then hammering. But that too was really cumbersome, right? We had to swing really hard, and I think the stuff was actually getting in the way. It wasn't really allowing it to break up. The third way we tried was with just a hammer and a chisel. And of course that was very tedious and really difficult because we were going after the concrete board that was attached to the subfloor. And then we also tried the pneumatic chisel, which was kind of fun to use that, but man, it created so much dust, a lot of noise, it just wasn't worth it. What finally worked was this, right? Just a basic small, this is like a 12-inch type crowbar. And of course we have a large crowbar that we used as well. So once we started to figure out what we were looking at, because it's our first time doing it, meaning what do we have here on the floor, what were the layers, what should we expect, once we got through some of that, we got really comfortable. And in fact, this last piece that you're looking at right now by the doorway here, this came up in a matter of like 2 minutes. We'll put you on time lapse and finished up ripping out the floor. In the next video, we address the countertops and the sink faucets. Be sure to subscribe and join us on this incredible DIY journey. Also, if you want to see more videos where we fix a lot of different things, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.